Lucy was having a tough day at work. Her boss was angry at her for missing an important deadline, and her coworkers were bickering over minor issues. On her way home, she decided to stop by the animal shelter to drop off some old blankets she wanted to donate. As Lucy entered the shelter, she was greeted with enthusiastic barks and meows from the animals. She walked over a cage holding 3 little puppies who were stumbling over each other, trying to get her attention. Their playful energy and loving gazes instantly lifted her mood. Lucy was experiencing the joy of connecting with other living beings, which is what Tenderness Toward Existence Day on January 19th is all about. Established in 2003, it is a day to celebrate the profound warmth and compassion we feel when connecting with all creatures on Earth. Tenderness Toward Existence Day was inspired by an influential speech given by the spiritual leader Mikhail Nemi in 1922. He proclaimed that all living beings, humans, animals, plants, and the earth itself are interconnected. When we are able to tap into the tender, joyful feeling of being present with other creatures, we access our shared existence as one living whole. This universal tender compassion is so important in today's world filled with division and conflict. By opening our hearts to the beauty in a flower petal, a bird's song, a bee buzzing by, we begin to dissolve the illusion of separateness. We gain a deeper understanding that we are all made from the dust of the same stars, working together on the same planet, breathing the same air. On Tenderness Toward Existence Day, people celebrate this vision of unity in simple ways. Some spend time in nature, listening to the sounds of life around them. Others volunteer at an animal shelter, find ways to help people in need. Pick up litter in their neighborhood. The key is to do small acts of kindness towards any fellow being with gentleness and care. In the end, one of the most powerful ways to celebrate our togetherness is with a tender smile, a kind word, an open and loving heart. Overall, this special day is about nourishing the quiet joy that comes from embracing all existence with compassion. January 19 is Tenderness Towards Existence Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Tenderness Toward Existence Day. Cheers!